Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Italian Mixer. Today I'm gonna cook the pasta. I'm gonna make spaghetti midnight or aglio olio peperoncino. Oh, so good, so good. I'm in the kitchen, yay, and I'm gonna cook pasta. You probably guessed it. There's no hiding it. I love pasta. Today I'm gonna make spaghetti midnight. And the reason why they're called midnight is because they're made with ingredients that everybody has in the cupboard. So if you get peckish late in the evening, boom, doesn't have to be midnight, by the way, but if you get peckish, you rustle them up. And I remember when I was little, and if we had parties or people over and they obviously stay way after midnight, that's what we would have, and we just feed loads of people, and they're really good. They're also called spaghetti aglio olio peperoncino, which means garlic, olive oil and chili. So nice. So I'm going to show you how to do it. It's very easy, so easy and so quick as well. It's just literally just the time to cook pasta. So it's going to take you about 7-8 minutes. But let's get on with it. Let's put the water on. So in the meantime, while I'm preparing everything, it's got a chance to get to the boil. For this spaghetti, you need salt for your pasta, olive oil, a 1/3 cup, 3 cloves of garlic, fresh parsley, a chili, parmesan. Oh my God, it smells amazing. And spaghetti. But I'm a sucker for linguini, so that's what we'll be having. It doesn't matter, whatever you prefer. I love linguini. Absolutely love them. And that's what we'll be using. What I'm going to do now is chop the garlic, chop the chili, and then put it in the pan with loads of olive oil. Just need to make sure that we don't burn the garlic. It's gonna cook really quickly. So we just warm it up for a few seconds and then we just wait for the pasta. Let's get chopping. And 1 and 2. I made it the other night, but I only used 2 garlic cloves. So I thought, I'm upgrading. I'm having a little bit more garlic because I don't know you, but I love garlic. I really do. Let's do this. And there we go. The garlic is finely chopped. Let's get on to the chili. I better not rub my eyes. Can you imagine that? Sting! I better wash my hands. Right, that's it. Now we've got garlic, we've got chili. Let's get the olive oil in the pan. A 1/3 cup, that should be enough. Off it goes. You do need quite a bit of olive oil because this is going to be your sauce. Let's turn this on. So the olive oil is going to get a nice flavor from the garlic, nice and juicy. Ooh. Oh my God, I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. See, with this recipe, you don't need salt in the sauce. All you do, just make sure that you put plenty of salt in the pasta, because then the spaghetti, or the linguine in my case, is going to be like nice and it's going to have taste. And also then it's going to have the olive oil is going to add that garlicky and chili flavor. Oh, that's lovely. That's sizzling a little bit. I'm going to put the chili in. As I said, it doesn't need very long. You just warm it up at the moment. So as soon as it turns a little bit golden, turn it off. Oh, the smell is incredible. Oh my God. So nice. I'm so looking forward to this. Really looking forward to this. Need to be careful because the garlic is finely chopped, it's really easy to burn it. I've done it before, so don't want to do it again. Okay? I think I'm gonna turn it off and leave it for now until the pasta is ready. Well, the water needs to boil first. Okay, I moved the water into a bigger ring, so I'm still waiting for that to boil. Takes forever. I'm going to chop some parsley ready for when we put the pasta in the sauce. This is exciting. The smell is incredible. I'm really hungry. There you have it. We got our parsley all nice and chopped. Oh my God, it smells amazing. Makes me hungry. The water is finally boiling, so we're going to put some salt. I use Himalayan sea salt, but a really nice, good sea salt will do the job. I do 3 pinches. And time to put our linguinis in. I'm doing 250 grams for 2 people. So here we go. They're going in. They are going in. I need my new gloves. Look at them, blue. The pan is getting a little bit hot. Now all we need to do is wait for the pasta to cook. And it needs to be al dente because then it needs to go in the pan for a few more minutes together with the olive oil, the garlic and the chili. And then it's ready. We add the parsley and then we serve it and then we add the parmesan on top and then we eat it and enjoy it. And it's going to be so lovely. So garlicky and spicy. Oh, looking forward to it. This has now been cooking for 6 minutes. So I'm going to try because I really don't want it to be overdone. It really needs to be al dente. So let's try it. I think it's got another 2 or 3 minutes to go. That's been cooking for 9 minutes and that's enough. Let me don my gloves and let's strain the pasta. Steaming. So what we're going to do now, we're going to pour the pasta into the pan. We're going to turn this back on and we're going to mix it really low heat. We're going to mix it all really well. Adding the parsley. Oh, look at that. And we mix it really, really well. Oh, the smell is incredible. I'm so hungry right now. And just make sure that the spaghetti are proper, nicely coated in all the lovely olive oil infused garlic, the garlic infused olive oil. Oops. And that's it. And we are ready to plate. Oh, beautiful. As you saw, it doesn't take very long. I'm trying to do the push thing, but I'm not sure it's gonna work. La, 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 la. Well, there we go. And we drizzle some parmesan on top. And there you have it. Look at that steamy pasta. Whoa. Ha ha. Oh my God. That takes me back when was about this big. It's so nice. It's garlicky and it's got a little bit of a kick from the chili. Oh, this is heaven. This is so lovely. I hope you've enjoyed this video. And if you have, why not give me the thumbs up? It really helps the channel to grow. And also, why not subscribe and hit the bell so you can receive the notifications. And when the next video is out, there's going to be more recipes.